Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox and review this gaming chair. Stick around till the end. I'll share my honest experience after using it for a while, especially if you're dealing with back pain like me. So let's talk about the packaging. The box was huge and took up a lot of space. Each part was covered with bubble wrap, which was okay, but honestly I feel it's not enough if something heavy drops on it. I prefer Amazon style packaging where they include paper or extra padding inside the box. And unfortunately, when I opened the box, I found a small broken black plastic piece. At first I thought something serious was damaged, and later I found out it's from the back side of the chair. It's a little sad to see that right out of the box, but I hope it doesn't affect the overall functionality too much. Now coming to the assembly, it was actually very easy. I followed the instruction sheet that came in the box. The diagrams made it super simple to understand. They provided all the tools needed, and it took me around 20 minutes to assemble everything on my own. I really like the paper style instructions, very beginner friendly. Watch how I assemble it step by step. This can be really useful if you don't know how to do it. So I'll stop talking now, watch till the end for my honest review. Once assembled, the chair looked really premium. I chose the grey and black variant, which gives it a modern gaming look. The neck rest and back cushion are removable, which adds flexibility based on your comfort. I've been using this chair for a while now, and honestly, it's great for relieving back pain. I sit for long hours daily, whether I'm working, gaming, or editing videos, and this chair really makes a difference. The cushioning is soft yet supportive, and I can sit for hours without any discomfort. But not everything is perfect. There's a stitching issue on the back side. I can see some loose threads, and even the white cushion inside is slightly visible, which is not ideal. This could be due to poor stitching or maybe shipping damage, possibly where that broken plastic came from. Let's talk about features: high backrest for better neck and spine support, ultra soft seat cushion for long usage, adjustable recline up to 18°, and 360 swivel rotation, strong metal base with quality coasters, hydraulic lift for height adjustment, movable lumbar and neck cushions, adjustable armrest for extra comfort. Also, one idea that came to my mind: if they added a mug or coffee holder, that would be amazing for work setups. Just saying. One small thing, the leather makes a bit of noise when you sit or move, but it's not a big deal for me. Just something to keep in mind. So here's my honest opinion for rupees 10k. This chair is a solid choice. If the shipping was better and the stitching issue wasn't there, this would have been almost perfect. It's great for both gaming and work, gives full day comfort and helps with back pain. If you're planning to buy a budget gaming chair, this is one of the best options available right now. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video or found it helpful, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more honest reviews and tech content. And if you want to check out this chair, I've added the Flipkart purchase link in the description below. See you in the next one.